In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 best outdoor solar lights available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the BAXIA Technology 100 LED Outdoor Solar Light. The BAXIA Technology 100 LED solar lights are the ideal option for you if you're searching for enormous outdoor motion sensor lights. 100 LEDs, yes, you read that right. With a 2-pack, you can be sure that every area of your home or office will be completely illuminated. They also offer an impressive 10 to 12 hours of run life after just 8 hours of solar charging, which is respectable for 100 LEDs. These will keep the celebration going long after everyone has gone to bed, for individuals who enjoy chatting with a beer or 10 far into the night and really getting into some deep, meaningful talks with friends and family. Although you can't turn off the built-in motion sensor security measures, you're still getting a great set of solar deck lights that will have guests clamoring to come over and hang, even if only to get away from the dark drabness of their own home. At number 4 is the InnoGear Solar Outdoor Lights. The InnoGear upgraded 2-in-1 solar light model will be beloved by those that require solar path lights in their lives, which might and ought to be everyone. It handles all the legwork for you by being set to turn on and off at dawn and sunset, and the 2-in-1 function makes installation quick and straightforward. You can stick it in the ground or on the wall, providing you a little variation that's always welcomed, and you won't need any tools to do so. The solar panel is adjustable to ensure maximum energy absorption. It has a weatherproof housing that can survive all types of natural calamities, including the occasional but no less annoying shower. Despite all its advantages, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, and the battery life isn't as lengthy as that of other models, so keep that in mind. Top 3 at our list is the URPOWER Solar Lights Outdoor. These URPOWER LED wireless solar lights, which come in sets of 4, are a great wall installation option that may turn your driveway or backyard into the well-lit gathering place you've always wanted. It has tough solar panels that capture as much sunshine as they can throughout the 8 hours it takes to produce dependable, constant brightness each evening. They are one of the more durable solutions available and have IP64 weather resistance to combat any weather issues. The motion detector features a 120-degree sensor to detect any movement. But because of its extreme brightness, it might not be the soft, relaxing outdoor light you're searching for. Given this, they might function better as security lights, but if you really want to, you could always just don a pair of stylish sunglasses. Moving up at number 2 is the AloftSun Solar Motion Sensor Outdoor Lights. From nightfall until dawn, there are 3 simple-to-use settings that you can choose from: dim light/high light when motion is detected, no light/high light when motion is detected, or medium light/constantly on. These modes give you options to meet your lighting demands. This 2-pack of lights is simple to assemble, and it can either be staked into the ground or mounted into a wall using the provided hardware. Our durability testing revealed that these lights performed admirably. We sprayed water on the lights, then allowed them to freeze for more than an hour because the manufacturer states that they have the greatest waterproof rating and are frost resistant. Each time the lights were tested, they continued to function normally. They stood up even after we put a golf ball on their solar light panel from a distance of 6 feet away. And at number 1 is the Vont LED Outdoor Solar Lights. Solar spotlights are an excellent option if you need to light up a big area or a particular focal point but don't want to worry about wiring or electricity. The Vont LED Outdoor Solar Lights are simple to assemble and install. They come with robust stakes for mounting in the ground or on the wall, as well as supplied screws. To aim precisely where you need them to, you may even pivot them up to 120 degrees. These spotlights' manufacturer describes them as weatherproof, and they stand by that description with a lifetime warranty. Despite everything we subjected them to, we found no differences in their brightness or any other aspect. These lights have 2 brightness settings, but other than that, they only have automated nighttime lighting. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.